welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 8 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 4, Wild Animals. Let's tackle the exercise and learn about wildlife. So, we have to use the help desk in order to write the correct word in the boxes. So let's begin with the exercise now. The first hint given about the animal is offspring of a tiger and a lioness. It is known as the tigle. And second is offspring of a lion and a tigress. It is known as liger. The next is third one, animal associated with pen and ink, and that is known as a squid. Fourth, bird named after a shade of black, and that is known as raven. Fifth one is cat breed without a tail, and that cat is known as the Manx. Moving on to the sixth one, the only snake that builds a nest, and that is known as the king cobra. So this is all about the wild animals given in this chapter. Moving on to the your answer please. The your answer please for you children is, can you give the names of animals that are found in the polar region? So look out for the answer children. Look out for the animals, as many animals that live in the polar regions, and write the answer here itself below in the book. Then moving on to the next page, we have another exercise which speaks that identify the following animals using the help desk. So let's begin with the exercise now. The first hint given about the animal is animal with the thickest skin, and that is known as the whale shark. The next is the slowest moving mammal, and the slowest moving mammal is three-toed sloth. Third one, the most successful and rapidly evolving mammal is the mouse. Fourth, the most common primate in India, and that is known as the rhesus monkey. Fifth is animal with the longest gestational period, and that is the elephant. Sixth question is animal with the shortest lifespan, and that is mayfly. Seventh, we have world's most dangerous lizard, and that is the Gila monster. Gilamonster. Eighth is the fastest fish in the world, and that is the sailfish. Then the ninth question, bird with the longest wingspan of 3.3 m, and that is albatross. We call it albatross. ALBATROSS. The 10th question, animal that is the emblem of the Worldwide Fund for Nature, and that animal is the giant panda. So with this, we have completed the exercise on this page. Moving on to the quick fact. The quick fact says that cheetahs are the world's fastest land animals that are capable of reaching the speed of up to 70 meters per hour. So, who are the world's fastest land animals? The answer is cheetahs. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.